Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here and run through the trade with you on this 15th day of June 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room by myself and others. So here we go. The setup is one we use just about every day. We use our fabulous strong candle indicator, which is this little red triangle pointing down, saying go ahead and trade the market towards the bottom of the screen, which is what we're going to do. So the only question we have is what are we going to look for targets? So we look over here at the PVI. We expect the next candle to be somewhere between 60 and 90 ticks in length. So we'll pair our ATM to that. And we'll go with our usual 20s, 50s, and 100 tick target. We'll de-risk the trade after 20s and see how we get on. So this is how it all went down in the room today. We'll get an order ready. The market's calmed down. Last week we had, PVI of 200. So let's see how we go. All we need for this to do is go up and push retrace off this 240 close or off of the shadow MDI, and we'll go from there. So we just need a little bit of a push up. Come on, you can do it. Come on, come on. There we go. All right, that's good. All right, first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is over top the last major failure point. I believe we had a little bit of a sweat here, which means you get into the trade and the market goes against you for a while. So it looks like we're going to get a double retrace. So now that our targets have been set, what we'll go ahead and do is speed it up, and we'll go from there. Now we will get another order ready just in case we we get our first target out and then takes us out of break even, but we won't need it. So a bit of a sweat going on, but that's okay. We're used to that. Just trust in your indicator and that we used it properly. Now we are going at 4 times the market speed right now, so it's much quicker than what was happening in real time. So there we go. You see our stop went all the way down, went from up over top here all the way down to here. It's a break-even position. If the market comes back and takes us out at break-even, we got another order ready to pot on if we want to. If we want to. So now we can't lose any money. Our first 2 targets are taken out. We're 90 ticks in front, and we only have an 18 tick minus left in our stop. So no reason to get out at this point. Nice little retrace there. I don't think we're going to need this extra order, and we just wait to there, right there. Boom. Took us out. That trade took about 6 minutes to complete and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 6 minutes, come and join us at Samurai Day Trading, SamuraiDayTrading.com. The only place you're going to be able to find your strong candle indicators, which make trading a breeze. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to learn how to trade. So look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.